How to find keep chats archived settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find keep chats archived settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and then click this 3 points in top and click settings. Here you will find this one, chats. Click on it and then just scroll down until you find this one, keep chats archived. And here all you need to do, if you want to turn it off, just click on it, and you can turn it on again just by one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. And now see you in the next video.